Hi, this is Jonathan from George Group, and we are back again with another interesting video. Are we going for ceramic or are we going for vitrified? This is one of the most asked questions by many customers, and today we'll be answering that question. Tiles are one of the most important elements for your interior and outdoor decors. Tiles add up the personality of any given space, which is exactly why you must be extremely careful in selecting the tiles for your home. What are ceramic tiles? And what are they made of? They are shaped and heated to extremely high temperatures. Ceramic tiles are made by a mixture of clay, minerals, and solvents. Available in both glazed or non-glazed versions. These tiles come in both standard and customized shapes and sizes. Ceramic tiles are resistant to force stain, water absorption, and a force which usually makes it recommendable for bathrooms. What are verified tiles and how are they made up? A ceramic tile with extremely low porosity is called a vitrified tile. These tiles are manufactured by a process called vitrification by mixing 40% clay and 60% silica. These are long-lasting, low-maintenance scratch and abrasion-resistant tiles, which makes them the best option for corporate buildings and homes. Next, we're going to talk about the differences between vitrified tiles and ceramic tiles. Number one is composition. What are they made up of? Vitrified tiles consist of 40% clay and 60% silicon, whereas for the ceramic tiles, they're manufactured using ethylene clay. The second difference is the texture. Vitrified tiles are known for their smooth and glossy texture. Ceramic tiles lack a glossy look. They have a comparatively rough texture. And the difference on number 3 is strength. Vitrified tiles, due to the process of vitrification, are stronger compared to ceramic ones. Ceramic tiles are weaker. And the fourth one is water absorption. Vitrified tiles absorb less water, which makes them more preferred for flooring choice. Ceramic tiles absorb more water when compared to vitrified. And number 5, characteristics. Vitrified are known to be long-lasting and more scratch resistance, abrasion, and as well as stain resistance. When it comes to ceramic tiles, they have low scratch resistance as well as stain resistance. And when it comes to installation, vitrified tiles comparatively are more difficult to install than the ceramic tiles, which are more easier to install. Then number 7, the cost. The cost of vitrified tiles, because of their strong characteristics, they are more expensive compared to ceramic tiles, which are much more cheaper. Before selecting your tiles, make sure that you're well informed on which type of tiles that you need for your project, and take a good look at this collection that we have. That's it for today. Bye bye.